at Baja, the forecast for the crossing was sunny skies with 15 to 20 knots of wind to cross the bottom of the Sea of Cortez. Gargoyle would be on a port broad reach for the entire journey. The total distance from the Baja to our destination, Barra de Navidad, was 400 nautical miles, and we were hoping to complete the entire journey within 3 days based on the forecast. Pending winds, we were going to be 1 to 3 days early for the Panama Posse gathering, so we decided to have another option where we could drop the anchor and relax. We set our waypoint to Tenacatita and let Mother Nature do the rest.
Good morning. It is Saturday morning. We left it Friday at 1 o'clock from Cortez, Los Cabos in San Jose del Cabo. We're making the crossing over to Barra de Navidad on the mainland, 365 nautical miles is what we plotted as the crow flies, because we think a straight shot. So far it's been pretty much a straight shot for us. It is about 6:30 in the morning, and we left it, as I said, at 1 yesterday. So far we've knocked off a little bit better than 100 miles. We'd be making better time if it wasn't such kind of rough, bit of confused seas out there, which is what we expected though.
Sucks. It sucks.
How do you feel about this, Carla?
I think the sea sucks.
Pretty big. I noticed the cockpit's kind of wet when I came up here. Did you spill another Diet Coke or?
Yeah. and then the ocean vomited on us.
Oh.
A couple of times actually. And then it puked on us over here. Actually got the top of the Dodger wet. Probably have like a easy 3-meter following sea, and we're gusting to 30 knots right now.
Well, that's good. So you're making good time.
Yeah.
You must have dinner reservations. Does that work when you put it there? Sailing today. As you can see, a lot of strong winds and big following seas. I can never get a good view of the following seas though, unfortunately. They just don't look as big as they usually are, even though they're keeping the back of the boat clean, and we've had some in the cockpit here, but it's dry right now. But yeah, all in all, it's actually good sailing. Very fast rundown from Puerto Los Cabos, and should be in and anchored around 10 o'clock tonight.
Tenacatita, I think that's right. Anyways, we pulled in late last night, and we just kind of anchored where the water was shallow enough because we couldn't really see anything in the pitch black. But great little anchorage, a little rough. This is actually a day anchorage. Over here along these rocks is the aquarium, which is a great snorkeling ground. But we've been here overnight and we've been doing a lot of rocking, so we're thinking about moving over to the other side. But for now, we're just gonna relax today.
Tenacatita is truly magical and was our favorite spot on the Pacific coast of Mexico. Its sand is smooth, the waves are soft, and it has magnificent views. You can take your dinghy or a panga ride through the mangroves, visit the small village in La Manzanillo, snorkel dive the aquarium reef, or just relax and enjoy the crystal clear waters. It is composed of beautiful anchorages and beaches. The most popular are Playa Tenacatita, Playa Mora, and La Manzanilla.
Fly here is motoring us over to Playa Mora, just on the other side here. We were anchored over here. The crew is trying to adapt to heat, not doing it very well. So they're up here catching whatever ocean breeze they can to try to cool off.
So we are in beautiful Playa Moro, which is about a 2-hour run to Barra de Navidad, just north of there, and this is what you would describe as your tropical paradise, no question. We're anchored off of the beach, and there's a couple of beach resorts here, but it's just a beautiful big bay, very calm, very protected. You know, everything from mangrove forests inside. There's a little river area that you can go through over here that runs all the way back up to the point. About an hour or two by dinghy you can explore. The beaches are just perfect. Water's calm. We've even had our own pod of dolphins, which Dean's singing to right now. Well, we've decided this morning we need to pull out. We need to be in Barra de Navidad for the beginning of the Panama Posse briefings tomorrow afternoon. So we're going to go in a day early. Hate leaving this spectacular bay in Anchorage. I have to say, this is, of all the places we've sailed in our lives, this is, I would say, the nicest anchorage and nicest bay. And as you can see, we've got a nice warm sunny day. The co-captain is over here making sure that our sail plan is perfectly executed, or she's sunbathing, I'm not sure which. One of the crew, Dean, camped out here enjoying the nice breeze. Sam's down below being a princess.
We are just coming into the marina here at Barra de Navidad. It's a little bit windy. We got like 16 knots. So I'm just going to motor in and get past the point, and then hopefully everything calms down a little bit.
The history of modern Barra de Navidad dates back to the mid-16th century when the Spanish landed, and it gained its name in 1540. And by 1564, the sandbar and seasonal lagoons behind it housed the shipyards for the Spanish galleons. After Acapulco became the favorite gold port, it slipped into obscurity and became a small farming and fishing community located at the east end of Bahia de Navidad. It was rediscovered by surfers and tourists, and in recent years, the Mexico government has promoted Barra as a tourist attraction, one of many along Mexico's Gold Coast. Many boats opt to anchor in the Laguna Navidad. The anchorage is calm, secure, and has good access to the town. Be aware the sand in the lagoon does shift, so enter slowly. We opted to stay at the Marina Puerto de Navidad as we would be attending daily seminars for the Posse group during our stay. Gargoyle's tied up. We're gonna go to the office? Yeah?
Yeah, let's see.
Marina Puerto de Navidad is situated at the foot of the Gran Bay Isla Navidad and has over 200 full-service slips. Among the many services the marina offers, the marina guests have access to the pools, restaurants, golf courses, and all other hotel amenities. The marina has also been a refuge for many boats, as it is known to be a secure hurricane hole for mariners. Here we are.
Harbor Master.
Harbor Master.
I don't know where she sees this sign, but she sees something.
And a Canadian flag, look at that.
It is. Oh, so we go in that entrance. Is that the Canadian Embassy?
They have all the flags up here. Checking out our new home for the next 5 days? 5 days.
See? That's where we're having our party.
This is Barra de Navidad. This is a town. We're going to go check it out tomorrow. I'm going to go sit in that hammock tomorrow. We're in Barra de Navidad, and this is the famous French baker. Kevin's going to buy some croissants for our breakfast this morning. Even Dean wants one.
Thank you.
You have a nice day?
Yes.
And I'll catch up on you tomorrow.
Oh, I'm sure we'll see you tomorrow.
All right. You hear the bell, or you hear me on channel 22 over the radio.
Oh, okay.
French bakery. When visiting Mexico, the boat's captain needs to check in to the Capitán de Porto upon entry into each port. Some marinas will do this for you, however Navidad did not provide this service. So we grabbed a panga to check in and to take a walk around the town. As we moved through the channels of the lagoon, it was easy to see the impact of Hurricane Jova. In 2012, many of Barra's seaside businesses were left in ruins after the hurricane. The businesses have recovered despite the damage, however, the number of visiting tourists has decreased substantially ever since. Number 39, 69. Oh, there it is. And we are here. Yay!
Thanks to Google Earth or Google.
Never doubt Google. Never ever doubt Google. I've been at the Marina Barra de Navidad for the last 5 days, attending Panama Posse seminars and meeting lots of interesting people and getting some buddy boats. Like over here we have Avalon and Chimera, and across the way we have Wave Dancer. They, along with us, are going to be heading down to Panama. So now the seminars are over, everybody's heading out. We're going to head south and go to Manzanillo today, a big whopping 25 nautical miles. But just wanted to get a last shot of this beautiful marina. And now we're departing. Here's the resort. We have a great little lagoon with all the water toys that you would expect, so you can swim in the ocean, as well as the pool area. And here's the exit for our port. And here's our little town. Beach restaurant. They say they're in their quiet time right now, and in about 2 weeks with the Christmas flocks will get crazy busy.
So technically today's the first day of our Panama Posse cruise down to Panama, a 6-month trip. We left Barra de Navidad this morning about 9 o'clock, and no wind, as you can hear the diesel running. Carla is hard at work at the cockpit whipping some lines here. Beautiful sunny day. Pleasure yacht ahead of us here. Little guy, 116 feet. And the beautiful coast here, southern Mexico, as we're cruising down, and you'll see Piedra Blanca over here, the white rock. I don't know if that's bird poop that makes it white, but not a lot out here other than a few local fishermen. A few floats we've dodged. We are watching for the dreaded long line as we go. And ahead of us is Manzanilla and La Hadras. It's the anchorage that we're going to go into. It's supposed to be just spectacular. Even has med-style moorings where you drop an anchor and back into this resort. So we will update you as soon as we get there. My crew here is say hi, relax.
Hi. We've met lots of tinfoil around his
It's the alien.